What is good, guys? It's Rey-Jay back with another video. And in this one, I want to break down what's going on with the overall market, what you should be watching for as time progresses. I'm also going to talk about some things going on with the markets right now. Before I get started, though, let me just say that I am not a financial planner, so take nothing I say as financial advice. And also, if you guys can, please check out the Moomoo link, which is down below and in the description. If you sign up for Moomoo and deposit $100 into the account, you're guaranteed up to 5 free stocks. The offer ends in 7 days. Check it out before they run out. Anyways, let's talk about the markets. Right now, the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq are on their longest winning streaks in about 2 years. I'm also going to be watching Disney for its earnings for today. It's going to be very telling about how they're doing and how retail is looking. We have an AI-powered record from Microsoft as once again they're hitting all-time highs. And there's a lot of optimism amidst their investments of about $13 billion into OpenAI. And on top of this, there's more data coming out involving the election, but I'm not going to talk too much about that. There's also this news that Jerome Powell is about to be giving his opening remarks at the important conference in Washington, D.C. We will see if this causes any volatility. Once he starts, make sure you're ready for that. Later on, we have some bill auctions and 10-year note auctions data coming out, so make sure you're ready for that too, between 11:30 a.m. and 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, finally, for earnings, don't forget we have Walt Disney and AMC later on, and we'll see what Jerome Powell causes. Now, right now, the market's in a very similar state. SPY looks like it's going to push and try to retest 437.5. But for the rest of the levels, guys, you could go back to my video where I talk about Powell's speech. I actually broke down the levels more specifically and how the market could react as we're approaching this key resistance on SPY right here. So we're going to be watching this very carefully if we break 437.5 or not. The market looks like it wants to push this morning. Tesla had some good news involving Elon Musk meeting with the Indian Commerce Minister. So far, this is helping Tesla push. Could push a little higher. It looks a little bit like it's going to push higher just looking at the current technicals. So we're going to be watching this very carefully. Looking at Aapl, this thing is kind of flat right now. We're at resistance at 182. It's trading very flat in the pre-market. The QQQ looks like it's trying to push back up to 373.5. It looks like it has more potential as well. So we're going to be watching some of these key levels. Once again, guys, I just want to refer you to my previous video just for more details because all the levels are exactly the same. The market's like super flat right now. So if you want specific details on the levels, just watch my video from yesterday where I talk about Powell's speech tomorrow. QQQ looks like it's trying to push up to 373.5, looking a little bit more bullish. Nvda is currently in this 460 to 462 range. It looks bullish though. It looks like it's going to try to test the high from yesterday, and we'll see if it breaks 462. If it does so, it could push higher. If not, then we're going to be watching that resistance. That's pretty much it for now, guys. I'm going to keep this video very short because Jerome Powell is about to give a speech soon, so we'll be waiting for that. And just get ready for Powell's speech. We'll see what the guy has to say this time around. All right, guys, that's it. Have a great day. Watch the levels I called out just briefly in this video and then the levels from yesterday. It's all exactly the same. Nothing has changed because the market's almost exactly where it was from yesterday. And we'll see what Jay Powell ends up saying. We'll see if he causes any volatility, so be ready for that as well. All right, thank you for listening. Have a good one, and peace out.